Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Thanks for stopping by for a quick visit today. I wanted to hop on here and tell you guys about some yarn. So yes, this is a yarn enabler video. I had seen online where some had mentioned that Walmart had some clearance on some yarn. Excuse me. And I wasn't planning on going, but we had a snowing in Louisiana. We had snow. News alert. It started snowing late in the evening, like, I don't know, maybe around 7-ish. Sunday night. It was still steadily, heavily snowing at like 11 yesterday morning. It snowed for like a long, long time. We are not used to that. We're used to just getting ice, if anything, not snow like that. And I guess that snow was too much and too heavy for these Louisiana trees and the Louisiana light poles. So we had trees down everywhere, light poles down. It was, so our power went out. And so that's the only reason why I went to town, is because it was freezing cold in here. And I had gotten to bed and rolled up in a blanket and tried to get warm, but it was just so cold. And my hands were just, if you have Raynaud's, you know about this. My hands were just like white, no blood flow whatsoever. And they were just aching and numb and just, it was painful. And my feet were doing the same thing. And so I had to get out of this house and get in the car and get the heater on home. And so I ended up going uptown with Elijah and his girlfriend, Bay. And they took me by Walmart and let me run in and see if they had the clearance yarn. Okay, so if you go to your Walmart, the yarn may not be marked. You have to go scan it somewhere. This is what my Walmart had. The Super Saver Jumbo in soft white. Now, the white was not on clearance, only the soft white. And these are the jumbo rolls that are 744 yards. This was on sale for 64 cents. Can you believe that? 64 cents? Heck yeah, I'm getting it. Okay, so I only had one white at my store. And I did dig and looked, trying to find another white. It's soft white, because I do use white a lot, of course. And then they have this Aran, and I want to show you that A-R-A-N, Aran. And again, this is 744 yards. It's the Super Saver Jumbo. It's this big, huge one. These were 64 cents, and I did get 6 of these. So I'm thinking I'm going to be making a blanket with this color mixed in with some solid colors. So, and then the other yarn I got is the Jumbo Super Saver Mistletoe. That is the mistletoe. And this one, because it's variegated, variegateds are always smaller. Not sure why, but they are. It is 482 yards. And so I got 6 of these. So I'll definitely have to make something leading up to Christmas next year with this. I have a partial skein in there, and then I bought 6 more. So I'm good. Now, from what I have saw on Facebook, they also have a solid red that's 64 cents. I did not find one at my store. Also, in the variegated, there is a camo color that is 64 cents. I didn't find that at my store. So the 3 I found at my store was soft white, Aran, and mistletoe. So at your store, you can also look for red and camouflage. I think that's all the ones that I saw that, are saying that they are on clearance. Now, I did look online on my, I went to the website and put in yarn, and I put in like price lowest to the highest. This yarn did not show up there. Matter of fact, I kept scrolling, and I did see this for like $6.44, which is the regular price in my area. And so I thought it wasn't going to be on sale. So anyway, I wasn't planning on going to town, but then our electricity was out and it was freezing cold, and I had to go somewhere to get warm. So I ended up running in there to see if they had any. So I found it, which it wasn't even with the yarn, it was in the material section. We do have a pretty good size material section, and so I went over there. I knew that yarn was there because I had saw it, so I went over there and got that. And then I went to electronics and asked the guy if he would scan them for me, and the white did not scan 64 cents. It scanned $6.44. And so these are the three that my store had that scanned 64 cents. So I know not everyone can get out right now, or you might be stuck at home, but if you have someone that could go by and check for you, it'd be worth giving them a call and asking them to do that for you if they're going to go to Walmart anyway. But I did want to tell you all about that. So so if you're able, you can try to get on the 64-cent deal, because that's a lot of yarn for 64 cents. I have no idea why these would be clearance. I can see maybe they didn't want so many of these, after Christmas, but white, red, the Aran, and even the camo, I don't know why they would clearance those out, but they did. So that's, good thing for us. But anyway, I did want to let y'all know about the 64-cent yarn at Walmart. So if you are able and can, you can get in on that. And if you can't, I'm truly sorry. I know some people hate to hear about good yarn deals and they can't get in on them. Maybe they're homebound or don't have a vehicle, or whatever the reason might be, COVID, whatever. But if you have someone that does shopping for you, you might want to reach out to them and see if they would go by and check it out and see if your Walmart has these yarns 64 cents. I've noticed that people are saying it in lots of different states. So that's the only reason why I thought mine might be. But then when I looked online, I thought they're not. But then since I was out, I thought, I'll just check and see. But anyway, I hope you're all safe, staying warm, and having a great day. It is, at the moment, 26 degrees here in Louisiana. Yes, we're not used to that. No, we're not. We can barely deal with it. So I have heat going. I got up this morning and have heat going everywhere in the house trying to warm it up. And so I am going to, of course, we have electricity back on. It came back on yesterday evening about, I don't know, maybe 4-ish or something. I'm not really sure on that because I was not home at the time it came on. But I plan to stay home today, of course, and crochet. And so I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you all again soon.